Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. It is day 3 of Vlogtober, so I'll be dropping videos every day this month. We going hard 31 days straight. So if you missed the tutorial I did on my right hand, it's from a Shein nail set that had multiple scary movie characters in it, and so I decided to do my left hand with the other nails that came in the set, and they are ghost face. So let's get into it. Okay, so these are the nails that I chose to go on my left hand, and in case you're a little bit confused about what's going on, this is a two-part video. And in part 1, I used the Michael Myers themed nails to go on my right hand. And since we are in part 2, I am going to use the Ghostface nails theme on my left hand. So this set came with multiple scary movie characters in it and scary designs. And I decided to do one hand Michael Myers and do my other hand in the Ghostface. This set is super versatile, which I love, and I love how many different characters and designs that these nails come with because you can really mix and match up your set. The nails come with multiples of the same character, so if you wanted to do both of your hands the same way, you could, or if you wanted to mix it up and do 2 different characters, you could, like I did. I just love this set, and it's so cute and spooky, so let's get into it. So I just removed the shine from my natural nails with the nail file that came with the set, and this is the glue that I'm going to be using, which is by LA Colors, and it is fast action drip proof nail glue. Now on part 1, I did use a LA Colors nail glue, but that was the rapid dry nail glue. This one is different. It says it's fast action and drip proof, so let's see what this looks like. So the tip is really skinny and the hole in it is really small, which helps to control the amount of glue you're putting on your nail. So you have more control, and it's a squeezable tube, so it depends on the amount of pressure that you put on the tube. That's exactly the amount of glue that's going to come out. So I guess that's what makes it drip free, because the rapid dry nail glue is not squeezable, so you kind of just have to kind of pour. I mean, it gives a little bit when you squeeze it, but not as much as this tube. So I grabbed my e-file and I'm just filing the underside of the press-on nail to roughen it up so that the glue sticks really good to my natural nail. And if you can see, the tip of the nail is really shiny and the where I just shaved at is very rough. So you can see the difference, and that will definitely help your press-on nails to stick really good to your natural nails. So let's go in with this glue. So I kind of put a little bit too much pressure at first, and I was like, ooh, it came out fast. But it says fast action, so I was kind of trying to go fast because I don't know how fast the glue dries. But it dried at a pretty good speed. I just went ahead, lined that press-on nail up as fast as I could, making sure I'm pressing down on my side walls, and I held that for 30 seconds, and the nail came out great, and they do feel really sturdy. I didn't show the sturdy test on these nails like I normally do with my other sets, but they feel really sturdy, like they're gonna last for a while, so I think I like this glue. It does dry fast just as well as the rapid dry nail glue does, but I like the tube better than I do the rapid dry nail glue because I feel like I have more control of what comes out, and I have a better handle on the amount of glue that I'm putting on my nails. But I was treading lightly, so if you just go in and you squeeze that tube, a whole bunch of glue is going to come out. So you kind of just have to pace yourself. So I will link this glue in the description of this video. I got it on Amazon. I also got the Rapid Dry Nail Glue on Amazon as well. And I'll link that one in the description as well. So let's talk about Vlogtober while I'm putting on these last two nails. I am going to try my best to give you guys content every day this month for 31 days. That is what Vlogtober is all about. I prepared for Vlogtober a month in advance, so I have so much content that I just have to edit and put out to you guys. So many nail sets that I've done and so many nail sets that I have to do. I also got some wigs, child, so I want to share so much with you guys during Vlogtober. So just make sure you guys are subscribed and y'all notification bell is on so you don't miss anything from my Vlogtober series. So back to the nails though. So I have all the nails on, and as you can see, I am filing down that extra little piece that comes on the tip of the press-on nails. I am not going to add any top coat or any finish to these nails. I wanted to keep them exactly out how they are so that I can give you guys a good review on the longevity of the nails. Look at me using the big word longevity. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I want you guys to see how the nails are just as they come. These nails are a little on the thin side. I will say the nails on my right hand, I did apply a base coat, a top coat, and a second top coat, and they are much thicker and durable with that versus without it. So these nails will probably not last on my left hand because I didn't apply any of that. But this is the finished look of the nails. I applied my cuticle oil, which I will also link in the description of this video because y'all already know we ain't having no crusty cuticles with these cute nails. And I love this entire set. I just recommend that if you do decide to get this set, make sure you apply, your base coat and a couple layers of top coat because they are on the thin side. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this two-part series as much as I loved doing it. Be looking out for more tutorials to come, especially for Vlogtober. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you know when the next video drop, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!